Hello friends, my name is Rajesh Sharma and today I am going to discuss you about the difference between agile and the waterfall model. So let's start about it. What is a waterfall model? Waterfall model is a traditional approach of building a particular product. So this model contains the different phases like the first phase is requirement analysis. After requirement analysis, we are going in design phase. After design, it's implementation. After implementation, it is testing, and after testing, it is deployed, and then we maintain a particular product. And in agile is an iterative model which constitutes of sprints. Sprints means we are the time duration of 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week. Generally, in maximum of the organization, the sprint is of 2 weeks, but it depends upon the product to product and as well as organization to organization. It could be 3 weeks or 4 weeks or 1 weeks also. So it depends upon the organization. So in waterfall model, like what we do, we first get the requirement. After getting the requirement, we are going to make a design of it. After designing it, we implement or doing coding, then we testing and then we deploy it. So what is happening in this waterfall model? For the initial time, requirement is be gathered. So some time is taken in gathering requirement, some in uh, the design phase and some in requirement phase. So what will happen is there, like if after a particular, like this world is dynamic and things are changing at a rapid pace, so there is a possibility that after 3 4 or 5 months the clients want some set of requirement change. So what will happen in waterfall model, if the client wants some sort of change, then again we have to go in our requirement phase and design phase and change the thing as per the requirement change. So because of that, the time duration of the products also get increased, means the initial time we had given only 2 months for the design phase, but now the design phase is being increased because of that 2 months which we had taken initially, and 1 month we had taken for the implementation of particular, for the change in the requirement which is provided by the customer. And there is one more disadvantage of waterfall is that, like if a product is being built, it is being built after the 6 months when the whole product is being ready. At that time only we are able to show that product to the client, and at that time also client say that we don't want that product as the requirement is changed from my side. So in that condition, it is very difficult to again interpret the changes in that particular product and show to the client. It will again take 1 more year or more time, as which is not good as per the cost perspective. And that's why there is a lot of disadvantage of waterfall model. Now focus on the agile model. What is happening in agile model, as it is a iterative model, so we are going to perform coding. We make for the, like we take sprint zero for it. In sprint zero, what we put our all product backlog items in our backlog, and in the sprint one we going to take some of the stories or product backlog items in our sprint one, and we implement that thing in that particular 2 week sprint. So in that sprint we perform testing as well as development as well as testing of that product, and at the end of that sprint we have a particular buildable product which we can show to the client. So when the client sees that product which we had implemented in our first sprint, he is able to determine that what we had made, and if there is some sort of requirement change, then he just inform us and provide feedbacks to us that this is the change which we need. So there is no loss of cost and nothing is being lost from our side, as the requirement is being changed by the client and we implement these requirements in our upcoming sprints. So what is in agile model? In agile model, at the end of every sprint, we have a direct communication with our client through which we can discuss the feedback from him, and on the basis of their feedback, we can build our product. But this is not the case in case of waterfall model, because in waterfall model, at the end, when the whole product is being in initial phase, we discuss the things from the in the requirement phase, we discuss things with the business person and interact with the business to get all the requirement, and then the requirement are finished, and after that all the implementation testing only we are going to discuss these things about the from the client. So what client only get after a very large, means the interaction with the client is very less in that case. But in iterative model or in agile, we are continuously discussing with the client and get the requirement and implement it on the basis of the client requirement. So the change in requirement doesn't affect our product, but in waterfall this affects very badly in terms of cost. So these are the main drawback of waterfall over the agile method model. Thank you. And friends, if you have something to in the next upcoming videos and upcoming weeks, I am going to tell you about the different rituals as well as the team members who participate in our agile product. And please like and subscribe the video. Thank you.